Look, I get it. You're trying to be healthier, trying to have a healthier home, but you don't know where to start. Let me help you. First step, if you have idea of some things that are toxic, you can start to get rid of them and start replacing them just like this. You've got a few things written down here that you can start taking out and replacing them with a much healthier organic alternative, just like this. As you go along the list, you can start to list down things that are much more healthier alternative to the previous option. Now I know this transition can be quite expensive, so I have written down some options that are more affordable. Stay tuned and have a lovely day.